Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my card sketch number 118. Let me make sure that says, 118. And this was a card club that we made from the card sketch number 118. But I made this into the make and take for my club this, I guess it's been a couple Saturdays ago now, but this was one of their cards that they made. So we're going to make this one today, but I wanted to show you this one that I made with my team using the little ladybug stamp set. So it's the same card sketch, just changed up the stamp set and the colors of the cardstock. Isn't it cute? So every Monday I post a new card sketch, and so you can catch out all the details and the measurements and everything over there every single Monday. All right, so let's go ahead and get started making this cute bee card. So let's start with the base. I'm using the Daffodil Delight. There should be a piece of Whisper White. Yep. Okay, so Daffodil Delight is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then a piece of Whisper White for the inside, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Then also a piece of basic black, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4 for the front. And then for the layering, the Daffodil Delight, this piece is cut at 3 3/8 by 4 1/8. And then this piece of the Golden Honey designer paper, which is a celebration item, this piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 4. And that's going to layer right onto that Daffodil Delight. Then I have a piece of the gold foil sheet. This is cut at 1/2 inch by 4 1/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping first. I'll show you exactly what I did. And I went ahead and cut out everything first to save some time for the video today. But I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So this is the stamp set. This is the Honeybee stamp set. We're using quite a few of the images. We're using both of the bees, Celebrate Every Moment, and then of course the beehive. And this also comes in a bundle with the detailed bee dies. Let me show you that. So those look like this. So you can get the bundle and save 10% when you purchase them both together. And then the Celebrate Every Moment, you can tell that this is scalloped. Here, let me put this on here. And what I used for that was the Sending Flowers dies, and it's this die right here. Now I will tell you a little trick. When you're stamping this and then you put the die over top of it, it doesn't look like it's going to fit, but trust me, it does. The scallops gives you a little bit of a leeway, so I will show you that when we stamp it here. So let me grab the stamps. So let's stamp the beehive first. So that's going to be with the Daffodil Delight. And then we're going to grab the Memento ink, stamp everything else, the 2 bees and the greeting. Let me grab the die. So I want to show you what it looks like. So you just want to kind of center it over the greeting as good as you can, right? And then the scallops, cut it a little bit more. So you'll be able to center it, and then when you run it through, it's not going to cut everything off because of the scallop. It's the scallop shape, all right? And I used the beehive to cut out the image that I stamped with the beehive. Cut that out with the die. And then this is for the larger bee. Just like that. And then the smaller bee. Okay. Then for my layering square dies, I used the Daffodil Delight and the scallop square. And then the straight edge square, I used the basic black. Okay, and then the scallop is almost 2 3/4 square. So if you want to use that one and then layer it down with the basic black, those are the 2 sizes that I used in the dies. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move the ink pads. So I'm going to grab my paper snips and I'm going to pennant the ends on this gold foil sheet. Okay. So there's my pennant. All right, let's go ahead and adhere these pieces together. Okay, so we're going to pop these images up on dimensionals. Okay, we're going to color in our two bees with the Daffodil Delight Dark Stampin' Blends. I'm going to pop those up on dimensionals as well. So then on my Celebrate Every Moment, what I did is I wanted to cut this straight at the edge, but I want to cut between the scallops. So I'm not cutting in the middle of a scallop to give that funny edge. So I'm just cutting right in the middle, allowing enough space for the greeting, of course. So then there's your Celebrate Every Moment. We're going to pop that up on dimensionals as well. I'm going to actually pop it up on one end here. Okay, so we're going to take our layer here. We're going to put our Celebrate Every Moment. We're going to take our larger bee, put that up here, and then the smaller bee down here, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and pop this up on dimensionals on the front of the card. Take our front of the card and we're just going to put this right at the bottom over top of that gold foil sheet, just like that. Then we're going to take some Wink of Stella. I'm going to color in the stripes of the bee. So cute. All right, I'm going to keep this up because I'm going to go ahead and stamp some more bees for the inside of the card. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to put this on the inside of our card. So cute. Then you can put your little greeting on the inside right there. So cute. So that was card sketch number 118. And then here's the ladybug. And then here's the other one that we made for club. And then we also made a totally different card using the same design in the glitter pit. So if you want to check that one out, we used the Parisian Beauty stamp set for that card sketch. So that link is posted down below. But this was our card sketch, number 118. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.